What's going on YouTube? Thanks for stopping by What's New Barbecue. In today's video, we're going to be catering a wedding out here in Texas, and I'm going to bring y'all along, and y'all are just in time for us to get Big Dawg hooked up and get on the road. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And without saying anything else, guys, let's get to this wedding. Listen to that. Like a glove. Boom.
I bet you're flying your colors.
We're out here getting set up, y'all. Got Big Dawg out here at the venue. Nothing but Texas land. Got that Kingsford blue. We done got all the briskets trimmed up, seasoned up. And we got them waiting for us. We got about 3 hours till we throw these bad boys on. Getting it fired up. It's literally 3:30 in the morning right now, and we're getting going for the big wedding tomorrow, so the food can be ready about 6:30. That'll give it time to rest for about an hour and a half. So I'll catch back up with y'all when we get all the food on the pit and show you what we got. It is 5:50 in the morning on 4th of July, and we've got Big Dawg loaded down with the briskets, the pork butts, and the hog shoulder. And we'll throw some ribs and tri-tip on here in a little bit. I'll catch up with y'all after I take a nap. Alright guys, it's about 10 in the morning, and the briskets and the pork butts have been going for about 4 hours now. And I'm going to open it up. We're going to spritz it down with a little bit of water and Worcestershire mix. Got some coffee in my cup. Cheers, y'all. Let's check this brisket and pork butt out. We are close to 4 hours in. Got these pork butts over here. Looking good. Rolling about 300 on the pit. Got these briskets rolling as well. Some fresh coffee. Got another brisket over here. And we got us a hog shoulder right there. So we'll keep y'all updated. While we wait to check on the pork butts and the brisket and the hog shoulder, look at that fire rolling good. Got a good clean oxygen, good smoke rolling out. I wanted to show y'all where the setup's gonna be. Got all this space out here, awesome area. This is where the wedding's gonna be at. Got some people here already. And we got big old smoker Big Dawg rolling in the background. All right guys, I'll catch up with y'all in about an hour and a half. It's about wrap time. Show y'all what the pork butts are looking like. We got the other two briskets already wrapped up, but we got one right here you can take a peek at. That's what we're looking like before wrap time. We'll catch back up with y'all. Just a little brown sugar action on some burn ends. Nothing to see here.
thank you for being such an amazing dad to my kids and taking them in as your own. It only takes special people to do that, and to be honest, I would only choose you to do that. And of course, over and over and over again, moving to Texas was the best thing I could have ever done for me and the kids. And I just want to thank you for stepping up and being there and loving me and showing me what love really is and not what I've been shown. So thank you, and I love you so much.
Baby, thank you so much for choosing me. I look forward to the next 50, 75 years with you. Cheers.